Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make an easy guava mojito. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 10 to 12 fresh mint leaves, 2 ounces of white rum, and 1 ounce of fresh lime juice. Don't forget 1 ounce of delicious guava nectar and 2 teaspoons of granulated sugar. These fresh components are key to a vibrant and refreshing drink. Having everything prepped makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's get started with the mixing. Take your 10 to 12 mint leaves and 2 teaspoons of sugar, placing them into a sturdy glass. Pour in the 1 ounce of fresh lime juice. Using a muddler, gently press and twist the ingredients for about 10 seconds. You're not trying to shred the mint, just release its wonderful aromatic oils. This step is crucial for building the mojito's signature fresh flavor. Next, it's time to introduce the star flavors. Carefully pour in the 2 ounces of white rum, followed by the 1 ounce of guava nectar. These liquids will start to blend with the muddled mint and lime. Now, fill your glass completely with crushed ice. This helps chill the drink quickly and provides a great texture. Give everything a good stir to ensure all the flavors are well combined and evenly distributed. For the final touch, let's complete our delicious mojito. Top off your glass with about 2 ounces of club soda, adding a delightful fizz. For garnish, gently place a fresh mint sprig into the drink. You can also add a thin slice of lime to the rim for an extra touch of elegance. Serve your easy guava mojito immediately and savor its vibrant, tropical flavors. Cheers to a perfectly refreshing drink.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.